So there's someone that you like and you want to speak to them. And you're wondering, how can I be sure that I'll say the right things? I'll say them in the right way, and I'll feel good about what I said and how I said it. There are specific steps that you can take to make sure that you speak in the way that you'll feel good about what you said and how you said it. And this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. My name's Aliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy, and I'm going to tell you exactly how it is that you can speak from your heart, from your core, and express yourself, express whatever it is you want to say to the person that you like, to the person you have feelings for. Now, when it is that you have feelings for someone, it's your feelings for them that actually make it harder for you to speak to them, because they cause this fogginess, this blurriness, and all these thoughts of what it is you want to say, how you want to say it, cause all this confusion. So the first step is to let go of all these thoughts of what you want to say, how you want to say it, what might happen, what might go wrong. Just let all that energy fall away and imagine yourself standing in your heart and in your core. Just have the intention that I'm going to stand within me, and allow your imagination to feel that you are standing in your power, standing within you. And once you do this, the way to check that you've really done it is that you'll feel this happiness. You'll feel good. You'll feel this energy flowing in you, this high frequency, high vibrational energy. And when you feel this, then you'll also have this clarity. The amazing thing is that the fogginess, the blurriness, it instantly falls away. You instantly move into clarity. And the reason that this happens is because in your heart, in your core, you have all your knowledge, all your happiness, all your wisdom. And so as you're standing on this ground and you're in the energy of your heart and your core, you know what it is you want to say. It just comes naturally. And as you speak, you'll feel that, wow, I said this. I said it in this way, and you'll be amazed at what you said and how you said it. But before you actually do this with a person that you have feelings for, that you like, do it, first of all, in your imagination. Practice it in your imagination. And this doesn't mean that practice exactly what it is you want to say and how you want to say it. It means move your energy into your heart, into your core, stand in your power, let go of any anxiety you may be feeling, any fear of what you are going to say or how you'll say it, and move into that clarity, move into that energy, that knowing that I feel good. I feel happy standing within me. And then imagine him or her standing there in front of you. Imagine them there. And then speak. Don't plan what it is you're going to say. Don't plan how it is you're going to say it. And as you speak, don't start thinking of, oh, what did I just say? How did I say it? I need to remember this so that I do it when I speak to them in real life. No, this practice is for you to gain more confidence, to see that when you believe that you're speaking from your heart and your core, and when you believe in you, then you naturally say the right things. You naturally know what to say and how to say it. And the more you believe, the more then that confidence will make it possible for you to stand in front of them in real life and speak from your heart, speak from your core, and just know that you're going to say the right things. Know that you will be heard. Know that you'll say them in a way that you'll feel good about what you said and how you said it. Because that's the key. You feeling good about you. You feeling good about expressing yourself. And don't feel that you need to walk up to him or her and say, hey, I like you. Maybe this is what you want to do. But express yourself by speaking to them and saying something that they are interested in. Speak about what they care about. And if you hear them speaking back to you and you catch their interest, that, hey, They not only know what it is I care about, but they've taken interest in speaking to me about this. Then they will speak to you. They will have this conversation with you where they have things to say, their thoughts, their feelings, because you've started speaking to them about something that they care about, that's important to them. And as you have this conversation flowing, you'll feel more and more comfortable. You'll feel more at peace. You'll feel good. And then if you feel that it's the right time, the right place, the right way that you feel about expressing how it is you feel about them, then go. Say what it is you want to say, and speak from the heart. Speak naturally. And know that it's the most simple words, the most simple way of expressing yourself that is the most powerful, that has the most impact. And make sure that your voice is moving forward, that you're standing in the energy of your heart and in your core. You're expressing yourself from that place of high frequency energy, high vibrational energy. It's your inner knowing. It's your inner knowledge. It's your wisdom. You just know what to say. The right things will naturally come forward each and every time. You'll be amazed at how beautifully this works. And project yourself forward, because there's a way that you can speak inwards, and that's for a completely different thing. This time you want to speak to the person that you like. So speak with your voice moving forward, with your energy flowing forward, and speak naturally. Speak with happiness. Be you. And this could be very cliche because many people say, just be yourself. I can say, what is myself? Because you're standing in your energy, you're standing in your heart, you're standing in your core. You know who you are. You have clarity, you have power. So it's just naturally flowing forward. You don't need to try. You don't need to put effort into it. It's just flowing. And the more this conversation flows naturally, the better you feel about you and who you are, what it is you're saying, more comfortable you feel, the more confidence you feel, the better this is. Believe in you and don't feel that you need to be accepted by them. You need to prove something to them. If they react in a specific way or they say something that you didn't expect, it doesn't matter. You're standing in your energy. You're standing in your power. So you're feeling good about you. You're believing in you. So it's not that you're expecting validation. The ideal would be for them to also like you, to also have feelings for you. But even if they don't, it doesn't matter. You've seen that you can express yourself with true power, with clarity. You've connected to that wisdom within you. And that is amazing. That's so beautiful. It's so powerful. It's something you can have at any time, any place, and it truly can move you forward into your most beautiful dreams. I wish for your most beautiful dreams to come true. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also remember to like.